Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily get access to almost 250,000 audiobooks and books on your Pocketbook Inkpad color. So first, what you guys need to do is go to the home screen, and now you need to create an account if you do not have one on legimi.com. Now wait for it to load here, and as you guys can see, if you do not have an account yet, please register at, and it's their site. Now what you guys need to do is enter your username right here, and now enter the password. After you enter the password, what you need to click is log in. And as you guys can see, here we have the subscription name and the renewal method. Here we can also check my books if we have some books added. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.